Dinog show na lang. Sige. Thank you so much.
Instead of brown butter, this is
Our new barista, Red. Kim, nice to meet you. And Giselle is here. We're full house. Come. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Clean. Thank you so much.
Ako yung isang malaki.
Magpapanggap tayo. Guys, so si Kim,
Spanish latte pa na ayos.
Sa isang latte na.
Sorry po,
come guys.
So, sorry po, isang mocha latte na medium ice and one medium Spanish latte na ayos. Dalawang Spanish. Small pa, and medium.
Lagay na.
Tatlong drinks. Ay, for drinks, or for drinks. Your name for the order na lang. Your name for the order na lang.
Hello.
Yes,
I love your hair. So nice. Pwede pang coffee black.
Baka may pesos.
Wala na ba ito? Dalawa. Yeah.
Serve na lang po. Thank you so much.
Thank you guys. Yeah. Pa-buzz down ng third floor. Thank you guys. Enjoy. Hi.
May matcha latte ka?
Yes po, here po. We have 3 kinds of matcha. We have pure matcha latte, hojicha oat latte, and ichigo matcha latte.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Yes. Small or medium po?
Hello, that's parang bagay.
Sa per transaction po po.
Sige.
Anything else po?
Thank you so much.
Pastries po po.
One pack?
Wala. Ano lang, yun lang. Yung something matcha.
For here po or two?
For you.
Your name for the order na lang.
Sa.
Here po, 237.60. Here na lang po yun.
Oops. Oh, let's go.
Serve na lang po. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Hello po. With vodka po. Anything else? How about pastries, sir? We have puzzle. Or here for today. We are here for the order. Here po, 205.3.
Hi.
Order na Spanish.
Ha?
Spanish forward.
Bakit? Saving, sir? Thank you. Hi po. Sorry. Ano? Espresso.
Espresso shots.
Meron.
Iba me na
2 shots po.
dinandan
Plain na espresso lang. Plain. Basta may sugar. Meron po. We have white, brown sugar, sugar syrup, and Splenda.
Oh, Kim is here.
Your name for the order na lang.
Hi Kim, punta ka here.
Jacob.
We miss you.
Jacob, 329.4. There's 500.
Come.
Serve ka na. Thank you so much. Hi, good evening.
Silver kasi. Josel, sumayaw ka nga, sabi. Ayun o, sabi. Sumayaw ka daw. Ayun o, natabunan na. Hot Spanish latte. Mag-bakery tayo. Hey guys, we are open till 2 a.m. Mon.
Go lang. At Mark.
594.
Hey guys. Oops. Na-miss ko yung matcha. Thank you. Dito ba to? Si Ian. Puro coffee ba to? Yung isa limonata. Espresso.
Serve na lang po.
Ichigo. Mocha. How many do you need? Hi Kim. Hi Clean. Fresh, di ba? Oh, ito pa isa, oh, bago naming barista. Hi, Renz. He is half Egyptian, half snake. but, totoo. Half, ano siya, Egyptian, half Chinese. Oh my God. Hi. Bus ka na? Yes, sir.
Usually naman.
Lalasingin ka namin ulit, ha?
Usually naman. Delikado. Isang highball, additional. $370. Tapos na lang.
Okay na, sir.
Ha? Kompleto na?
Oo, dalawa.
Dalawa?
Yeah.
May bago ka eh.
Ah, highball pala.
Ay,
Sorry. I'm working late. Cause I'm a singer. Hi guys. Busy-busyhan sila oh.